All right, righteous kids, it's time to get those wiggles out and have a little movement break. Stand up, stretch your arms up high, and let's do the letter stretch together. Now, let's wiggle our fingers and toes, just like this. Can you wiggle them fast? Let's see who can wiggle the fastest. How about we do a quick dance party? Wiggle, hop, and twirl like your favorite animal for a minute. Ready? Go! Phew! That was a blast. Remember, it's essential to take little breaks and get moving during the day. It keeps us active and energized for more learning adventures.